Hope you all are fine. Today we can start our book The Science Factor of class 5. Let's start over today's lecture. Our first lecture is introductory lecture. Today we can start over unit number 1, the human body. This is Galen, one of the most famous medical doctors of all times. He lived in ancient Rome 2000 years ago. A Roman doctor discovers about our body and functions of our body. As this chapter is the human body, so we can discuss over human body parts in this chapter. Okay, he born in 130 and died 210. He lives in Italy. Okay, now let's start our first topic, which is the nervous system. Let's start with the nervous system. When someone throws a ball towards you, you react by thrashing your hands out and catching the balls. Okay, whenever someone throws a ball towards you, you can react on it. You can catch or you can push the ball. That is your nervous system at work. This means that our nervous system works properly, and this response is totally related with our nervous system. The nervous system takes information from the outside world and forms the organ inside your body. It then works out how to respond to that information and tells the various parts of our body how to react. Okay, what is nervous system? Nervous system is in our body. Nervous system reacts according to the outer situation of our environment. That what is the situation in our environment? The nervous system reacts. For example, if we can take our hand towards a hot thing, but we don't know that is this pen or this pencil or anything which is hot or pen is hot, then okay, so how our nervous system works. As I can tell you that if we bring our hand towards a hot thing, we quickly move our hand. For example, when someone throws a ball towards you, you immediately catch it. Why? Because your nervous system works properly. But instead of the persons whose nervous system don't work properly, they cannot react as fast as we can. Okay, have you understand it? Let's move towards next. I can tell you something that the nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and lots of different nerves. A nerve is a fiber that carries impulses through the body. Okay, a nervous system made up of brain, spinal cord, and lots of different nerves. Nerves mean which tell us that what to do and what to not do. Our brain tell us that which thing you have to done and which things you don't have to done. Spinal cord, yes, spinal cord tell us. The messenger cells come from the spinal cord. Nerves present all around our body, which tell us that what work we have to do and what work we don't have to do. For example, if we see some hot thing, we can know, okay, spinal cord. There are something which I have to tell you, that if our nervous system don't work properly, we don't feel hot, cold, thirsty. If nervous system works properly, we can feel all these. As the persons which have a disorder, you can see that they touch the hot things and the cold things, and they don't feel anything. They can't feel that this thing is hot and this is cold. Why? Just because their nervous system can't work properly. Its example. For example, you are at home, okay, and your mother boiled a egg, and he switched off the stove. After some time, 5 or 10 minutes, you go to your kitchen and you touch that pan in which the eggs are boiled. The pan is hot. You immediately push your hand back. Why? Because your nervous system works properly. The nervous system, the cells of your hands give message to your nerve cells, nervous system cells, okay? These cells quickly give this response. How they can give response? That as your hand gives message to nervous system cells, these cells move towards the brain and gives message to the brain cells, and brain immediately reacts that no, don't touch this, and then the messenger comes from nervous system and tells you that don't touch it. So you immediately push back your hand.